Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn the 6 basic tones in Cantonese. Let's get started. There are 6 basic tones and 3 entering tones in Cantonese. In today's lesson, we'll focus on the 6 basic tones. We'll use the sound C as an example. Tone 1. C, C. Tone 2. C, C. Tone 3. C, C. Tone 4. C, C. Tone 5. C, C. Tone 6. C, C. Let's do it all together. Repeat after me. C, 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 C. Let's do it one more time. C, 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 C. Why tones matter in Cantonese? Because the same sound with a different tone can have a completely different meaning. Good pronunciation means speaking with correct tones and sounds. That's why learning the correct tones is so important, because it helps people to understand you clearly. For example, here, we have 6 tones, 6 words, and 6 completely different meanings, even though they all sound like the letter C. We can also practice tones by saying these numbers. 3, 3, 9, 9, 4, 4, 0, 0, 5, 5, 2, 2. Let's practice together. 3, 9, 4, 0, 5, 2. Let's do it one more time. 3, 9, 4, 0, 5, 2. Well done today. Keep practicing your Cantonese tones and I will see you in the next video. 下次見.